Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Sateria and welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy my videos, and if you do, feel free to subscribe, like this video, comment, and share. In this video, I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I maintain my locks in between getting my locks done professionally. I do get them retwisted and washed by actual loctician about every 4 to 6 weeks, but in between, I actually have to wash my hair. If you're interested, please stay tuned. Okay, so first I'm gonna start by rinsing my hair with some warm water. As you can see, I put my do-rag on to keep my hair locked. Now I'm applying some Cantu apple cider vinegar root rinse. And it's a really nice rinse because it doesn't lather. It just really cleanses your scalp and your hair. And you can see the dirt coming out when you rinse it. So don't think just because it doesn't lather that it's not cleaning your hair, because this works really well for me. So I'm just rubbing it in and I'm squeezing, getting my edges all around the back. And I'm squeezing out the water. Now I'm rinsing with some cool water. And once again, I'm just rubbing gently and squeezing the water out as I go. Now I'm done. Okay, now that I've dried my hair with a towel, I'm gonna go ahead and start retwisting just a few pieces in the front to make it look a little more fresh. So I'm sectioning off the parts that I plan on retwisting, just the front layer. Okay, so I'm just making sure that my lines are straight because I only want to do the front row because I'm lazy. I don't want to do any more than that. Okay, so now I'm gonna section off 2 pieces of hair and I'm just twisting my hair in the same direction that my loctician did when she retwisted it. And then after I twist it in that same direction, I'm twisting 2 of the locks together. And that just helps it to stay twisted the way that I twisted it, if that makes sense. I hope it does. I think it does. And now I'm just twisting it. And it's pretty repetitive, honestly. That's why I fast forward it. I'm just going to continue to do this with my entire head. Now the front pieces were a little tricky because like halfway down the middle, well, not halfway down the middle, but halfway, the locks are going in opposite directions. So you see I'm twisting it in 2 totally different directions. And then I'm gonna twist them together. And I zoomed in a little closer so you guys could see how I'm doing these. Twisting it in the direction, and now I'm twisting them together. And if you've ever done twist before, you know you like twist as you're twisting, you know. Yeah. And that's it. Okay, so we are back for the final touches. My hair is pretty much dry. It's still a little bit damp, but that's just because I don't want it to be super dry, you know. So I'm undoing my little twist. And you can see the difference in the places that I retwisted versus the ones that I didn't, like this one and this one. I might end up doing these 2 because they are close to the front, but I try to keep it simple because I don't retwist my locks myself. I go to a loctician for that. But as far as maintenance, I do just like to retwist a few of them in the front just to make it look fresh again, you know? Because after you wash it, it's a little frizzy in my opinion. And I don't put any products on it when I do retwist it just because I don't feel the need for that. I've heard of like beeswax and stuff like that, but I don't really think that's good for your hair because I deal with dandruff and flakes. So if I put products on my hair, more than likely it's gonna end up being just dirt buildup, and I don't like that. So the last and final step that I'm gonna do, but I'm not gonna show you guys this part because you guys know how to put product on your scalp. The last thing that I do is I put this 5-star cream on my scalp to help with the dandruff and flakiness, and also it helps with itchiness as well. But since I just washed it, it won't be itchy or flaky or anything like that for a little while. But this is more of a preventative, because if you wait until you have flakes or dandruff to put this on your scalp, or you wait until it's already itchy to put this on your scalp, it's not really gonna work. So I like to do it right after I wash it, or for today it was just a rinse, and my scalp feels really clean and fresh and it looks better for sure. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.